ShariseJohnson-Moore here, and how is everyone doing today? It is another Sunday that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it, child. We gotta be glad, because God brought us a mighty long way. And it is time for Entrepreneurial Corners. And I have a special guest for you today. I have a special guest. Her name is Brittany Simpson. She is the owner of Let It Shine Christian Housekeeping here in Uniontown, Pennsylvania. And I want everyone to welcome her to the place to be. Hello, Miss Brittany. How are you doing today?
Hi, I'm so excited I could cry. This is amazing.
Oh, you're welcome, honey. When I was in search of a business to come on my show, and I was like, okay, let me go ahead and see what Miss Brittany doing, and I was like, okay, I'll go ahead, and we contacted each other, and I reached out to you, and I want everyone to welcome Miss Brittany Simpson to Entrepreneurial Corner. She is our special guest today, and she's the owner of Let It Shine Housekeeping here in Uniontown, Pennsylvania, and she is she's been doing this for a while. How long have you been doing this, Miss Brittany?
My business officially started in February of 2015.
Okay. So what is it like to be an entrepreneur?
Scary, especially right now.
Mm-hmm.
But it's amazing. I can make time for my family
Mm-hmm.
and for the community as well.
Mm-hmm.
And I just love to serve others, and this enables me to do so.
Okay. And in being an entrepreneur, what have you found to be your most learned lesson in being an entrepreneur?
Patience, for sure.
Oh,
Patience with clients, patience with employees, patience with paperwork. Patience is big.
okay. I get it. I totally understand, especially the paperwork part. Ooh, child, that's doozy. You got to keep up with the invoices. You got to keep up with payroll. You got, do all the back end work. That's the word I was trying to find earlier. The back end work. And what is the most? What is your most enjoyable part about, your business?
I love when I finish a job and I look at it and it just shines and it's amazing and it's incredible and it's clean and it's just such a big difference. And I love walking out of each house thinking they are going to love this. It's going to look phenomenal. They're going to be so excited. I made such a difference for these people. Now they can come home and spend time with their family or doing whatever's most important to them instead of focusing on housework.
I know, right? I know. So, how many clients do you have, baby?
I have probably about 60 to 65 clients at this point in time. I've worked really hard to get here.
Okay, and how many employees?
Right now, I have 9 employees, and there can't be enough good words to say about the employees that I have. I
Okay.
wouldn't be able to do it without them, and they are just incredible. I'm very lucky.
Okay. So, um, in that line of business as a housekeeper, where did you start before you started your business?
I actually thought about this since 2011.
Hmm.
I didn't act on it until a couple of years later when my daughter came down with some serious medical issues, and we were in children's hospital probably about every other week.
Hmm.
And it gave me my motivation to do for my family
Hmm.
and enabled me to take care of my family and the community at the same time.
Okay.
But I started it working side jobs until I could depend on this alone. And it was really hard. And it took a couple of years and word of mouth and advertising. And it took a long time and a lot of hard work to get to where I am now.
Okay. So, how is it that what is your process for onboarding new clients?
So the first thing I do when a new client reaches out to me is I send out an informational email.
Mhm,
I've spent a lot of time on this email and it's based off of what I've learned myself running the business.
mhm,
It's very informational, very detailed. It includes our operations, our processes, our costs, our procedures, what we provide, what we don't do, what we do, etc. But the first step is for me to send out that email, make
mhm.
sure the new clients are on board, and then we continue.
Okay, okay. So, being here in Uniontown, how far do you travel for your clients? How far is that travel for you?
Most of our work is here in town. However, we have quite a bit of work in Sheet Lake, West Virginia, and Morgantown, West Virginia.
Okay.
We have quite a few up the mountain, up 40, up the summit,
Mhm.
but most of it's here within 10 minutes of town.
Oh, okay, okay. So, do you still have clients that started with you when you started? Are they still with you?
Absolutely, I do. And it means the world to me.
Mhm. Okay, all right. So, my other question for you is, how do you do it all? The business, home life, children. How do you balance? How do you balance that out?
One of my mentors once said, fake it till you make it. So I faked it for a little while and I struggled and I eventually made it. I'm making it. I didn't make it. I'm making it.
Mhm. Okay, I totally understand because you got to be mom, you got to be the entrepreneur brain, and you got you got to cook, and then you got to clean your own house, and and then
Right.
and it's like a thing of, okay, now which ball am I juggling right now? Like, okay, I got a house, I got to clean my house, got to cook, got to wash, got to do laundry, So, do you ever have you ever felt like overwhelmed by all you do?
Every single day.
Okay. Yeah.
But I love it. And I try my best to operate the very best I can, but sometimes it's hard with a mop in my hand.
Right.
So it's because I work in the field with my team Monday through Friday. We
Hmm.
work together as a team, and sometimes that's hard to juggle sometimes.
Yes, I totally get it. I totally get it. So, has there ever been a time in your business where you have felt like walking away from your business?
There's been a few times. A few years ago, I had some major difficulties,
Mhm.
and lo and behold, my staff got me through it. Um, I'm very thankful for my staff
Mhm.
because there's a chance that I could have or could lose my business because if I didn't have them, I
Mhm.
wouldn't be able to do everything that I do.
Okay, okay. Well, I'm very proud of you.
Thank
Very,
you.
I'm very proud of you, and I'm very proud of what you do. And I want to say kudos, okay, kudos to what you do, because us as women, we juggle a lot. We
Right.
juggle a lot. And so uh okay, so how I'm gonna so how do you handle what does your routine look like during the course of a day?
So my children come first, as usual. And
Mhm,
then when the children head out to school, I
mhm,
meet with my incredible team.
mhm.
And then we go out to our houses. We
Mhm.
do between 3 and 7 houses a day. And that's a lot.
Yeah.
But we are magical. We work together as a team, and what I call it is a dance.
Mhm,
And we dance around each other, and we all know exactly what to do and how to do it and where to go. And we all finish a house at the same time. And
mhm.
it's a perfect dance that we have managed to make work. And then we come home all in time for our families as well.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. I have this feeling we might have met before.
Oh,
I've had this feeling we might have met before because at a moment I was at a client's house. I can't remember I can't think of her name. I can't think of the lady name. I know her husband is an architect and they have a nice, pretty house in the, uh, I would say back over, I live on 32 Easy Street. So, right at 32 Easy Street and, where the Dollar Tree is, the Dollar General on the corner, you
right.
know, on East Street. And like if you go around the corner, it's like you're going back in the nice big houses over here. And I just got this feeling we met before at my patient house. I don't, they used to have someone come and clean their house when I was her caregiver. And that's what keeps ringing in my head that we might have met before at the patient's house. And you might have, that's why I asked you the question when we was talking in the direct message, about the different people you might have done, cleaned their houses. So I digress. So are you currently hiring any new employees?
I am actually not hiring at this current moment.
Mhm,
Like I said numerous times, I have the very best staff,
mhm,
and we take care of the clients and homes that we have
mhm.
in just the correct amount of time and labor, if that makes sense.
Yes. Mhm. It
So,
does.
as of right now, when we attain new clients, I
Mhm.
also attain new employees.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, yeah, that make a lot of sense because you don't want to put the burden on the nine you already have, and then you have like this, like you might get three or four in 1 week or in a month, new client, and then you be like, well, I know I gotta have somebody else, because we not super women, So is your staff all women or is it mixed men, women? How is that? How is this kind of set up?
As of right now, my staff are all women, which is not, I did have male staff members that were amazing as well. But
Hmm.
as of right now, it just so happens that they're all women and amazing women.
Okay. So, Miss Brittany, I want to ask you this question: where can the people find you?
People can find me on Facebook and on Google and on Yelp. I have probably about 75-star reviews I've worked so hard for on
Mhm.
Google and Facebook.
Okay. And I put up on the screen her contact information, her email address, and her phone number. I hope she didn't mind that. where
I
she,
love it. Thank you.
where you can be contacted for for new services, new, So what does your services range from?
So we have basic cleans, we have fine cleans, we have deep cleans,
Mhm.
and then we have move in, move out cleans, which are my absolute favorite.
Oh, okay.
I love to go into a dirty house and
Mhm.
make it look brand new.
Oh, okay.
We also have other services like wall washing, carpet cleaning, and other add-ons as well.
Okay, I had to call you for some work, child. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. So I want to just say, Miss Brittany, it has been an honor and a privilege to have you on Entrepreneur Corners. And I know that you are doing a marvelous job of the things that you do and taking care of others. You're doing a marvelous job, and I want to say I am proud of you. And please keep up the good work, okay? Please keep
Oh,
up the good work.
thank you.
And so I want you to let the people know where they do you have a website address?
I do have a website. It's Weebly. If you search it on Google, it'll take you right to it.
Okay, it's called Let It Shine Christian Housekeeping.weebly.com. Did I get that?
Exactly. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome, honey. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back in a minute, okay? All
Okay.
right. I want to thank you so much. And I want to say I'm gonna be giving you some advertisement, okay, for your business, okay?
And
Because
thank you for this opportunity. I really appreciate it.
you're welcome, you're welcome. I'll be right back, okay? All right, everyone. All right, everyone. All right, everyone. That was Miss Brittany Simpson, the owner of Let It Shine Christian Housekeeping. And her website is on the following ticker table at the bottom of the screen. It's called Let It Shine Housekeeping.weebly.com. And you can also get in contact with her through Brittany Simpson's Simpsonleach at hotmail.com, and her phone number is on the screen. So if you are interested in having your house cleaned by a very professional young lady, please get in contact with her. We thank you, and I want to say thank you to everyone that has come in and participated, has come in and shown and supported what I do today with my guest, Miss Brittany Simpson. And I want to say I thank you all for coming in to Entrepreneur Corners. And I want to say it has been an honor and a privilege to have you here. All right. So if you want to be a guest on Entrepreneur Corners, you can reach us at at this email address at snjm at ShariseJohnson-Moore.com, or you can reach out through the website here on the screen. I want to thank you so much, everyone, for coming in to be a part of Entrepreneur Corners, and we will talk to you later. All right, babies. All right. Y'all have a nice day. Okay, baby. Bye-bye.